Committee on Tribal Unity, Cotu, Sadar Hills announced suspension of the 24-hour total shutdown imposed along National Highway 2 and 37 with immediate effect following positive assurances from authorities concerned. The shutdown, which began from midnight of January 27, was called in protest against the government's alleged inaction in apprehending the perpetrators of the arson attack that gutted K Songlung Village Part 2 on Republic Day, reportedly by ZUF Kamson Group. Cotu expressed appreciation to the general public, church leaders and civil society organizations for supporting the shutdown and stated that the decision to withdraw it was taken after detailed deliberations. The committee also welcomed and resolved to uphold the joint declaration made by United Naga Council UNC and KUKNP Manipur KIM at Kangpokpi on January 27, aimed at promoting amicable dialogue and strengthening cordial relations between the two tribal communities. Earlier in the day, large number of women-led volunteers were seen enforcing Cotu imposed total shutdown at Kangpokpi town and Gamkipai. The shutdown resulted in complete restriction of movement of commercial, private and passenger vehicles, while volunteers were also observed closely monitoring the movement of emergency services. All business establishments, private institutions, educational institutions and other establishments remained completely closed for the day. Community members were also restricted from engaging in farming and other routine activities during the shutdown.